I'm here today with Solent Garden Services. We're assisting them today with the laying of porcelain tiles.
We are laying around about 65 square metres of Burlington silver from CTD.
In the BAL External Tiling range, there are different products that you can use on tiling. We've got a priming slurry bond, which will help to bond to your substrate. We've got a bedding mortar, which will go from 25mm to 100mm thickness. We've also got the terrace grout, which come in 4 different colours and is very easy to use and apply. Now the priming, bonding, you need to put that down to your base first. You've got an hour per mix on that to apply it. The bedding mortar needs 2 litres of water per bag, 25 kilo bag. The benefits of that is you don't have to worry about your sand mix and whether you're going to get the same mix every time. Because it's a pre-blended product, you just have to add the water to it and mix it. Then you put your bedding mortar on top, pack that down, make sure it's packed down properly, make sure your substrate is sound as well. You don't want any movement in your base. Then you prime the top, prime the back of your porcelain tile, apply it to wet on wet to the 2 surfaces, and then you get a pure bond that when it dries all at once, it's solid and it's not going to go anywhere. The grout is very easy to mix. It's 2.3 litres for a 20 kilo bag.
I found the CTD service was great. The range of product is fantastic. They got them here on site when we needed them. And in terms of using the product, really easy to work with, cuts nice, lays nicely, and the grout and the tiles match perfectly. It's a really nice finish. The whole team has been really helpful for us today. It's our first time using the system. All the instructions have been really easy to follow. I would definitely recommend the system to any other landscapers out there.